In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on one of the available ones to apply the best one. In my case, Gothic Bold. If you want to try something else, go back to the same settings and click on Download Fonts. Then install the best one for you, and when it's ready, go back. Lastly, click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!